Coal slime generally refers to the semi-solid formed by water in pulverized coal, which is a kind of product in the process of coal production. According to the different varieties and the different formation mechanism, its property is very different, and the availability is also very different. The commonly used is to press ball granulation and block for easy use. Coal slime ball press is the main briquette pressing equipment. Pulverized coal in the circulation field, basically rarely seen. With the development of economy and environmental protection, the coal slime technology of energy saving, though investment and high benefit, will be promoted vigorously now, which lays a good foundation and development direction for the promotion of coal slime technology. The forming pressure of coal slime ball pressing machine is the main factor affecting the hardness of the ball. It is a kind of rotary press roller to the hemisphere groove. The loose powder pressed into the spherical shape of the powder material, mainly used to press a variety of powder, such as pulverized coal, iron powder, coke coal, iron chips, oxide sheet, and other powder, through the